Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to attach our Paris table base to our compact laminate tabletop. Now, the compact laminate tabletop, you don't use screws with this top because it's so thin the screws will go through it and damage the top surface. So instead we've put in this German slot technology. It's got these 4 slots here and we're just going to slide some bolts into there. So you take these square-headed bolts that you would have been provided and just slide each one down into those grooves. Now you may also have been provided with some screws. If you do find screws and you're using a compact laminate tabletop, please discard them, don't use them, otherwise you will damage the top and that won't be covered under your warranty. So please, if you do have screws, just put them to one side. Now, when you've put these 4 slots, turn your base over and then line them up with the holes that you have. Just like so. We do also recommend that you get some liquid nails. This one's Ultra Nails, you can buy it from Bunnings. And if you use that underneath between the table base and the compact top, you'll bond it and it'll stay stuck on forever. You won't have any issues with it. Now, just put some washers over those bolts. And then these small locking nuts. You should have 4 of them, 1 for each. Now you take a number 10 spanner to tighten those up. Now remembering, if you have the liquid nails under there, when you tighten these up you might squeeze a little bit out, so just have a cloth to wipe that access. Make sure they're nice and tight, and then you should also have these little grey rubber caps. They just go over the top of the bolts just to remove any sharp edges. There you go. And there you have it. That's how to attach our Paris base to our compact laminate tabletop.